Happy Valentine's Day, Cookie Crumbles. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys are feeling the love as much as I am this morning. I am so excited. I woke up to my favorite food, like, not my favorite food, but my favorite fast food place. Like, it was very, very thoughtful. And some goodies. So I have these little cards. Me and my sister got each other. We got a lot of stuff for each other, and it was just super cute. Oh, I just love having a sister. Like, if y'all don't have a sister, I'm so sorry, but I just love her. So I look so crazy, y'all. Like, I literally just woke up and my sister was like, yeah, let's go downstairs and open presents like it's Christmas time or whatever, because it's love day. I just love that. Okay, anyway, and I'm gonna show you what she brought. Of course, it's crazy. Fun fact, I really do not like ketchup, but spicy ketchup, something about this, it does something to me. I think it's because it's mixed with like jalapenos or something. But yeah, I'm so excited. All right, so let's get into it. We got the honey butter chicken sandwich. Okay, this is a staple. This is my favorite breakfast item. Okay, if you don't know about this, you better go find out. Okay, because like this is amazing. All right, here we go. Mm. Mm-hmm. Cody also got some Valentine stuff, so he was excited for the food mainly, of course. But yeah, he's looking at me thinking he got to get some of my food. No. All right, so I'm gonna try this with the spicy ketchup. Mm-hmm. Amazing. Amazing. Mm, 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 mm. I don't think this needs sauce. It's like drenched in this honey butter. Amazing. On like a thick, long chicken sandwich. Mm, mm, mm. So good. 9.6 out of 10. Mm, 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 mm. All right, guys. I'm gonna go finish this and enjoy my day with my loved ones and my little fur baby.